Grab a dumbbell and let's train core. This 5-minute ab workout is quick, effective, and straight to the point. Let's get started. For this first exercise, your head's off the ground and your little spine is pressing into the mat. Think belly button connects with the ground. You want to make sure that you're breathing through this while still simultaneously bracing your core. For this exercise, you want to start by bringing the dumbbell all the way up to your knee and rolling it down to your hips before bringing it across your body and starting at your knee and rowing it all the way down to your hips once again. For the dumbbell sit-up, you want to try to keep your feet flat on the ground as you press the dumbbell up towards the sky. When it comes to your back, you want to try and maintain a curved spine as you come up. This is going to allow for you to really engage your deep core muscles.
Let's pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's a story. Let's pretend that it was glorious. 'Cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. In fiction, you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, in the imaginary, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine for me? It's a dream house. Let's pretend that it's all good vibes for once. Let's pretend that it's a safe place. Let's pretend that it's a safe haven while the outside world just keeps fading, fading. Oh, 'cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction, you just can't get hurt.
For this exercise, you want to make sure that you're engaging your core and squeezing your glutes as you're driving that knee up. Your bridge is the foundation of this movement, and so as you're performing each rep, you want to make sure that you're keeping your foundation in mind.